Today I'm going to be giving you guys a bold hold review on the bold hold lace jelly. I'm going to show you how I use it and how I like it on this kinky edges synthetic wig, and here is what it came out looking like. I'm going to let you guys know step by step what I did and how I like using this product. The info for everything that I use will be down below. What I'm doing is I'm applying the lace jelly and just swooping these kinky edges just a little bit because they are kinky edges, so I don't really have to do too much. I'm just going to use, like, for each swoop or small section of the hairline that I'm going to do, I'm just using like literally less than a dime size of the product. So what I'm going to do now is go in and do the left side of the hairline with the same process that I just told you about, using the product and then applying the air to it with the dryer, and I'm going to do it until it feels like it's dry. So this dryer has 3 settings. This is low, medium, and high. I'm going to put it on high and let you guys see. So like I said, you guys, I'm going section by section and I'm applying a small amount of the lace jelly, and I am going to be using it to mold my baby hairs. I did not use this to actually adhere the wig down, but it worked so great to mold these baby hairs, especially with them being so full and so thick. So I just take a small amount of the product, I take it to a section of the hairline. I go ahead and use a baby hair brush or comb and swoop my baby hairs. Then I go in with a dryer and I make sure it's dry down. I use a melt band, and then I do wipe away any excess product with a wet wipe or a wet paper towel. And here's a look at the final results. I think that the lace jelly works really well, in my opinion, to mold baby hairs and to also just mold the hair after you've already adhered the wig down. It gives it a more finished look, which I really like, y'all. And I really love the way that it had this wig looking. I think it turned out so beautiful. Info to this product, the wig that I'm wearing, and the other products that I talked about in this video will be in the description of this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye!